We'll use the same method as the last example, except this will be with a much steeper and less stable trend. So yes, there will still be some minor upward movement when falling towards the curvature of the arcs. However, it's not surprising that there's no long-lasting support, and there are only minor to moderate upswings. In the broader context, this stands out as one of the more significant areas. We can still identify the approximate start of this large consolidation area, perhaps even better, when trying these standard variations where we extend the downtrend line further to more recent downswing points, as well as moving to a shorter downtrend line segment positioned on more recent downswing points. To further improve on this, we can build on the element of time by adding a trend-based Fibonacci time zone, positioned first at the shortest duration possible within the context of this downtrend continuation, then the longest duration possible right up to when the continuation begins. The vertical lines closest to our area of interest helped narrow down the time range when contact with the arcs was more likely to produce something significant. Not necessarily a complete or even moderate reversal of the downtrend, but rather major opposition to the established drop, which in this case is the beginning of the long-standing consolidation range holding the chart relatively flat.